screwdriver. What the fuck?
No.
Yo, alright, so what are we watching?
Alright, man, we're watching one guy, one screwdriver.
Oh,
We
Oh
got
no, not that one
we
first.
got Nick, Zach, and
Okay,
we got Sean. Alright? We're about to watch this shit. I don't know what the fuck is gonna happen. Oh. Alright guys, get in front of the
Nick, get
camera.
over here.
Nope, not we're going.
Damn, lucky I didn't eat anything. Shoot.
Alright. You guys gotta bend down to see your faces. No
We're
homo.
not doing that one.
Well, you got, once you hit the thing,
Alright.
you can just, like,
Alright,
sit
we're
back.
on one screwdriver.
That bitch is kind
I'm
of
not
fine
doing
up there.
that one.
Alright.
That one, that bitch. She's
Alright.
fine.
We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it.
What is that on her chest?
Tits?
I mean, stomach.
Oh, that's just her abs, sorry.
Oh, it's kind of weird from here.
Oh, Nick.
Oh my
what the
god!
fuck?
What?
Oh!
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 God. Oh, fuck.
Oh my god!
Oh my god. What
Oh
is
my
that?
god! He's pouring blood out of his dick! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! This nigga's playing with his dick! Oh!
Shit,
Oh my god!
Oh, no.
How could you? How is he not screaming? Oh! Oh!
Oh my
Oh!
god. What the fuck? Oh. Nigga.
It's like he died or something.
Fuck? This nigga
How
showed
could
us
you
his
not
back.
die from that?
Nigga. How did he
Oh,
not? How was he
shit.
not screaming?
Oh